Dito na sila Queenie. We are about to leave the Arang University. Sam Cordova. Ha? I-feature daw yan. Ano ba yan? Ayan na ba yung coin purse mo?
It's fine.
Hi, say hi to ano, ping. Oh, you will ano? You will main cast yourself.
Yes.
Oh, special edition ba?
Baby.
Nice F5. Oh, Marian, hindi ka dito dali. Come on, Marian, follow me. Come on. Oh, Jem, you will not guess yourself. You will main cast na. Will main cast.
I will bet myself.
Ah, yourself? Yourself or your ticket? Your ticket yourself. You will benta your ticket. CR lang.
Uy, sandali. Paano magpagamit ng accounting? Why?
Oh, ganito yun eh. Kasi matagal hindi nagkaroon ng feed ang ano, peng-peng eh. Ayan. It's a typical uwian day for the guys. Ano, peng-peng guys. Ikaw na, sumama ka na nga sa SM kasi. May gagawin ka nga, tapos iikot dapat yung camera kung mag-swing.
Nahihilo lang yung nanonood.
Tadaan! Siyempre, pag nakaganon sa tayo, hindi naman nakikita.
Mag-message ka nga.
Ano may message ko?
Reply. Wala, ayaw, sira ka na.
I ruined my phone. I just texted Jem and other person, then
Ano ba yan?
suddenly, when I created the message, it rebooted and rebooted again. The double P.
Looping.
Oh, we were SM myself.
Ano ba yung wait? Di ba magkuwalk na tayo? Hindi. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ingat, Pril. Si Monty, oh. Puti yan. Bye-bye! Kala mo lang yun. Hanggang ano? Yeah, but yeah.
Yes, you're going to see. You are.
Of course.
We're walking along San Marcelino Walkway.
Anong agenda mo sa SM?
This is Kuya Manong. Manong! Say hi to the camera.
Uy, nagalit si Manong. Masosyal na yung phone niya dito.
Masosyal na 51 pesos.
51 pero
Ay,
ano?
kasi may nakadikit na video sa amin.
Hey, I'll cut this for a while. See those children running on the streets? Stop!
Kakabasa.